Hey there, if you're anything like me, you've probably experienced motion sickness in your life. And if that's you, you've probably heard about these little motion sickness tablets that you can take. Inside them is the magic drug. It's a lifesaver, and it's Meclizine. Meclizine is used to prevent and control nausea, vomiting, and dizziness as caused by motion sickness. Meclizine is an antihistamine, and it's anticholinergic. This means that it blocks muscarinic receptors in order to block the action of acetylcholine on the parasympathetic nervous system. So acetylcholine is unable to bind and cause a cholinergic effect. To help you understand this a little bit better, I've drawn a diagram. In this diagram, we see that ACH is produced in the terminal of the first neuron, and it's within these little circles called vesicles that transport it down to the membrane. On the membrane, there's this thing called a snare complex that pulls it apart and allows ACH to be dumped into the synaptic cleft. Once it's in the synaptic cleft, it then wants and is supposed to bind to these receptors down here on the postsynaptic membrane. However, because you've taken a pill with Meclizine inside of it, the Meclizine binds to those receptors instead and blocks ACH from binding. This is the reason why you don't feel like throwing up once you've taken Meclizine. Long story short, if you get sick on car rides or plane rides or boats or anything, take Meclizine and you'll feel better. Oh, hey there. And Disneyness.